This is Precision Racing Products shock and vibe handlebar mounting system. It comes with this pad to cover the working mechanism. This is basically suspension for your handlebars. It also produces vibration that would otherwise go to the rider's hands. This is a GoPro HD camera mounted directly to the handlebars, and you'll still see very little vibration even though the camera hangs off by over a foot. We're going to take a little lap here and take some hard landings and see how it works.